back here with the S3. We're going to be finally putting on the downpipe and the intake. I've gone for the APR intake. And it's going to look wicked. It's going to sound nice as well. And we've got a scorpion downpipe to go on. So this is the downpipe. We're going to be changing from the turbo up there. It's going to be coming all the way down here to here. So we're going to go ahead and start taking all this off. We start off by taking off all the bolts to remove the under tray. With the under tray out of the way, we take off the bolts for the exhaust hanger and the bolts for the prop shaft. Three extension sockets later, we managed to get one bolt off. With the bolts all removed from the exhaust, we disconnect it from the back box. Here we just put a bit of support under the subframe because we have to loosen it to drop the subframe so we can make space for the exhaust to come out. We've had to drop the subframe. We took out the drive shaft. We've moved the prop shaft. I don't know if you see if I can get an angle. We've moved the prop shaft out the way. And we're still struggling to take it out. But I think we'll be there any minute now, hopefully. This is the actual exhaust here that we're just trying to wiggle it out, but it's really tight and it's trying to make some space. So we're going to keep going at it. I'm going to put a link for the first episode on the car. Link will be in one of the corners where we've done a few other little mods, but this one is the main one with the downpipe. It's going to sound wicked. With all the bolts removed, we just use a lever just to pull the engine back so we can pull the prop shaft out of place. Let me try to turn this. Oh, yes! It's out. So this is side by side. As you can see, the new one is a lot wider in diameter. It's a 3-inch, and then we've got the adapters to go to a 2.5 inch, I believe they are, which then connects onto here. But yeah, big difference. Now this is a scorpion one. It's got to be really, really nice. So yeah, the hard part, I hope, has been done. I was taking it out. As you see, we dropped subframes. We've had to take the drive shaft out. Prop shafts all come out. So hopefully putting it back in is a lot easier now. So we're going to go ahead, transfer what we need to from the original exhaust onto the new one. So I think we need to do the brackets and the sensors, move that over, and then we can start fitting. As that's all transferred over, we're going to go ahead and get that pipe into its place. As you just saw, it went in 10 times easier than it come out. The pain to take it out, never again. But yeah, it's gone in a lot nicer. So we're just gonna clamp it at the top, and then we can get it all lined up, get all the subframe and everything fixed back in.
So
Action.
Now it's time to put the beast back on. We need to put the drive shaft on, then we go to the subframe, and hopefully we hear the beast scream a bit. Let's see how it goes.
And cut.
Cut.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's go home now.
We're done for the day, brother.
With the exhaust in its place, now we've got to do everything in repeat. So we start by putting the prop shaft in, getting that bolted into place, and then setting the subframe into its place and getting that fitted. With the subframe bolted in and the prop shaft all tightened up, we connect the rear half of the exhaust to the original back box. So we got all the subframe back up, we put the under tray on, the exhaust is all on, it's all connected. Actually looks really nice all the way up to here. So yeah, here it goes from a 3-inch, I think it's about 2.5 inch. It's a big difference, but we've kept the original exhaust tips. I quite like them, to be honest. But yeah, we've kept the original back box. That's all on. And then we'll get the car down now and then show you the rest of it. And we mustn't forget to tighten up the one bolt at the top that holds the clamp.
Like this. This one goes in here. Where is the leak, brother?
You can't find the hole?
Oh, very good, nicely, like this. I'm telling you.
Engine bay actually looks nice, isn't it? With the grey and the red.
But you need the turbo to pop out on the side there, a bit more bigger.
Maybe we put one dummy one. So yeah, we got the induction kit all fitted now as well. So we're gonna give it a start and hear how it sounds.
So there to back.
So, and then that's the exhaust there, the downpipe from there down, or from the turbo. It looks nice and clean. So yeah, with the downpipe fitted and the air intake, we're gonna start it and hear how it sounds. Start it. That sounds nice. That actually sounds really, really nice. Give it a little rev. I am liking that. That was worth it. That was worth it. One more. Oh my god! That sounds fucking mental.
That's sick.
You like it?
That's mad, mate.
That's mad, mate.
We're getting a back box off as well, bro.
Nah.
Time for the sound. That is mad.
That sounds crazy. Sounds nice, isn't it?
Mad, bro. It's wicked.
Fuck. Ooh, enough, man.
Enough, man.